मैं संध्या गट्टानी, एस्ट्रो वास्तु कंसल्टेंट और फाउंडर ऑफ सावी एसेंशियल ऑयल।
Hi, this is Vidhi Kattani, basically a civil engineer and co-founder of Savvy Essential Oils. So, आप लोगों के बहुत बार questions आते हैं, like many of the people have been asking me, how do Savvy Essential Oil blends help in beautification? Like, how do they basically work for your skin? So today we are here to answer your question, like one of the hot query you guys have. So we have different kinds of essential oil blends for skin. First is for skin brightening, for pigmentation, then for acne,
हेल्दी स्किन,
for mosquito bites, and so on. You just tell us the problem and we customize essential oil blends for you.
Yes.
We are always up for customizing. We love customizing those basically for you. So how do the essential oil blends work for your skin?
डाउट आता है ना दिमाग में कि वर्क कैसे करते होंगे इसेंशियल ऑयल्स, क्योंकि मार्केट्स में भी काफ़ी तरह के ऑयल्स मिलते हैं जो कहते हैं आपकी स्किन अच्छी होगी, ब्राइट होएगी, पर होती है नहीं। पर इसेंशियल ऑयल्स, सावी इसेंशियल ऑयल्स में हम आपकी स्किन की टाइप, किस प्रॉब्लम के कारण आपकी स्किन डल हो गई है, उसके ऊपर एक्ने हो गए हैं या पैचेस आए हैं, पिगमेंटेशन हुआ है, ये सब जान के उस अकॉर्डिंग ऑयल बनाते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली उसका रिजल्ट अलग ही आता है, बिल्कुल जैसा आप चाहते हो वैसा आता है।
And mostly you get results in less than 7 days of use.
Yes.
Pigmentation is one of the hot selling ones in Savvy essential oils right now. What do these essential oil do with your skin? Firstly, you should never apply pure essential oil on your skin because it is very much concentrated. It is very much harmful for your skin, for your body, for your health. So what we do is we make blends according to your skin type, according to your conditions, like what problems you are here for. If you just want healthy skin, we just help making the essential oil blends to help enhance your beauty already that you are having. Our skin that is very much tender, we should take care of it. We should use natural products only on our skin. We should not use the chemical ones because they are very much harmful. Let us connect with nature, connect with our Mother Earth and enhance our beauty in the most natural way with Savvy Essential Oil Blends.
हमारे थॉट्स का हमारे फेस के ऊपर बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है, हमारे स्किन के ऊपर। एक सर्टन टाइम के बाद आप देखेंगे कि काफ़ी लेडीज़, आजकल जेंट्स भी आते हैं कि 30 प्लस 35 प्लस वाले की स्किन बहुत डल हो गई है, बहुत लूज़ हो गई है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है। क्योंकि जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं हमारी जिम्मेदारियाँ बढ़ती है, हमारे टेंशन्स बढ़ते हैं, तो जैसे माइंड के ऊपर हमारे उसका इफ़ेक्ट आता है, हमारे बॉडी के ऊपर आता है, हमारे स्किन के ऊपर भी आता है। हम कई बार फेस देख के ये पहचान लेते हैं कि यार बहुत स्ट्रेस में चल रहा है बंदा या बंदी, स्किन बहुत डल हो गई है। तो स्किन डल होने के या लूज़ होने के कई कारण होते हैं, जैसे पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था।
Basically, this is the thing that shows what you are feeling inside.
Yes.
If you are happy, it will glow. If you are sad, unsatisfied, like disturbed, stressed with your life, it will just be dull. You have to be happy from within, satisfied from within, and you have to heal yourself from within, from the core of your body. To have this glow on your face, to have healthy skin, to help us heal you. This is very much important.
और जब सावी के ब्लेंड्स हम लोग बनाते हैं, भले ही वो स्किन का हो, फेस का हो, तो वहाँ हम सिर्फ आपकी स्किन ही ब्राइट करने का, हेल्दी करने का नहीं, इसके साथ साथ आपका माइंड, क्योंकि यहाँ से हम अगर हेल्दी रहेंगे तो उसका इफेक्ट हमारे यहाँ दिखेगा, राइट। तो सिर्फ स्किन का ही नहीं होता है, तो आपके विचारों को आपको रिलैक्स करते हैं, आपको ईज फील कराते हैं, जो टेंशन होता है उससे रिलीफ दिलाते हैं। तो इस स्किन के ऑयल के साथ साथ आपको ये भी बेनिफिट्स मिलते
These
हैं।
are the hidden benefits
hidden benefits
that we help you with, and this is very much important for our skin,
Yes.
for our glow basically.
चेहरा बोलता है, हम जो बोलते हैं ना, बिल्कुल।
Pimple होता है तो first thing in mind is apply tea tree oil. No, tea tree will not help you. Pimples are of different type. Acne and pimples are two different condition. They are further bifurcated. Like अगर सिर पे पिंपल होगा that is for different condition. अगर फेस पे होता है, चीक पर होगा, that is for different. Like pimples are for different categories, for stress, cold and cough, or because of dandruff. You have various conditions जिसके कारण जो भी effect होता है that is on the skin. So you basically have to heal the root cause to have healthy and glowing skin. Like when you talk for acne, you have to heal your body from within. That what is the problem is stress, cold, or hormonal imbalance that is causing the issue. What is the major cause of the problem? We detect the cause here and we work on the cause rather than just working superficially on your face and on your acne. We work in the core of your body to heal you from within, to help you achieve that from the root. Also, we have whipped soaps and face butters like launched quite recently in Savi essential oils that is very much effective. Effective in what way now? You feel very much fresh after the whipped soaps bath. You feel your skin is moisturized, your complexion is brightening, your dull patches or the dark patches you have sometimes, those are decreasing and getting brighter, and your overall skin tone, that is glowing. Now there are two different things, one is whitening, one is glowing. We work for glowing because that is from within. We don't work for whitening because that is just superficial. And at Savi essential oil, we heal from within. We don't work superficially. Our whipped soap, our face butters, they also have essential oils, the goodness of them. Our face butter is in rose and lemon flavors. You can check on the website www.savvyessentialoils.com. We have all the product range there. So say bye to the dull skin, say hi to glowing skin, and be happy, be stress free. Use Savi essential oil.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो,
then like, share, follow, subscribe. Visit our Instagram and Facebook. Do like and follow there. Visit www.savvyessentialoils.com and do order now.
Yes.
Post your queries in the comments below. We are here to solve all the issues you have. Thank you.